Hey guys, so we're back at Jeffrey Robinson's place. Here he is. And today I brought my Mayfair Energy Star Line for him to see.
I've always been curious how this model performed. I mean, I have a silver line and a gold line. I just want to see the performance of the next one down.
Oh yeah, I haven't made a video of the gold line yet. He just got a black gold line at Christmas, and so that's a 36-inch white gold line at his birthday. Unfortunately, it died.
Oh no, it didn't die. The bearings got. I still have to send that back. I only have like 2 months to do that.
Okay.
Jeez.
So, anyways, I guess we'll start this now.
That's the control that he is operating over there.
Yep.
Mayfair control came with the fan. Usually
Yeah.
industrials don't come with controls. I guess they only want you to buy one.
So here it is on low. Yeah.
It's a nice fan. I like it.
Yeah.
While installing it, my dumbass grabbed the outlet while it was still plugged in, so I got a good zap doing that.
Yeah. And this is also known as a Banvil Energy Star Line. And I heard Mayfair is a residential brand for Banvil's products.
Yeah. It still has a Banvil EnviroFan sticker on the top of the motor, so I don't know why they just wouldn't stop the Banvil sticker on the lower canopy, but what do I know? I like how this one, I like the bell canopy. I really like that.
Yeah. I mean,
Can I tell you, there's a Home Hardware that only opened up, I think, a year or two ago. Store's absolutely full of these. I think they have them on a solid state because they are so loud and buzzy. I'm actually happy I put that control in instead of the my can arm solid state.
yeah.
That's a really fast low.
Yeah. So, okay. Well, I guess we'll turn it on medium.
Because it's on a 3-speed control, it's not making any noise, unlike when I tested my tat.
So how would you rate this fan compared to the Banvil bronze line?
In terms of looks, and like I like the bronze stripe. And the bronze lines have literally almost next to no curve. They look like a new gold line. Like this thing, this one actually has a curve at the end of the blades, which I like.
Yeah. People say.
Did you do that? Did you curve them? Did you bend the curve more yourself, or did
No. They came like this. That's how the Energy Star Line is like.
True.
Are you sure the ones at Home Hardware aren't Banvil Energy Star Lines?
No, they have the Mayfair sticker on them.
I wonder if they put them on the Banvil EnviroFan solid state controls.
Maybe.
Or maybe can arm.
Yeah, I can't remember because like I've never seen anywhere that carries Banvil controls. Every solid state fan control I've ever seen like locally is can arm. I think that's what people usually buy.
And here's high.
Steel blade, it's gonna take a little time. This fan actually weighs like next to nothing too. It's hilarious. I picked it in Brandon's trunk and I was like, "This is it." That's not very fast.
Yeah, not
Is
really.
it faster when you tested it, or is this high?
Yeah, that is high. It's pointing at high.
That's really underwhelming.
I hope the capacitor didn't go down. Yeah, I'll just go close up. I don't want to hit my head on it.
Yeah, I could definitely. Yeah, this is really underwhelming.
Like,
One of the blades appears to be bent. I might have something to do with it.
oh dear. Are you sure you screwed it in properly?
Yep, they're all screwed in properly.
Oh dear. If one of the blades got bent, then I'm
I'll
gonna.
bend it back actually.
I wonder if it.
You know what I should do? Should I bend it back and then just have us start a new video, or?
Yeah, bend it back and then.
Yeah, I see. Just one of them's bent a little too much.
Okay. Oh dear. Okay. Well, I guess we won't be doing spin down. Well, you guys have seen spin down on this
Yeah.
before. I don't know if we should do it again. Yeah,
That's where it's supposed to be. So is that.
I've done spin down on this before, so I'm probably not going to do it, and I want to have more time to test more
This is
fans.
just because this thing's so flimsy. Like, this blades are really flimsy. They don't even look bent. What the actual... Oh, those are... Jesus. On these, they fold.
Oh dear. Well, I did have these in the car, and they were starting to go everywhere because I didn't have them. So we had. I hope something didn't.
Fired up on high again, see what that does. Those are really flimsy blades.
Be careful.
I'm crouching. That's the blades. That's the blades. The blades are flopping around. They're just so flimsy.
Uh-oh. Oh, the blades are just, all of them are like that?
Yeah, they're fucking. One of them does this. One of them does that. It's like literally.
I wonder if Hobby Central's does this as well. I wonder if his does the same thing.
Really underwhelming.
I should go back and watch his video again and see if it does this. Maybe I should go back to my video this to see if it does it as well. But anyways, I guess we'll turn it off now. That will be it. And I'm not doing spin down because I did it already in my video. So thanks for watching, and we'll be testing more fans.